Well, we are still monitoring some storms off to the east. They pushed their way through Denver, dropping a lot of rain and hail in some areas along the process. But as we take a look at our HD Doppler radar, you can see what was a long line of storms along I-25 from Fort Collins to Pueblo is continuing to bulge its way further east. So now we are still seeing those stronger storms across eastern portions of the metro. It looks like our severe thunderstorm warning was allowed to expire, but on its way, we did see these storms start off further southwest, and then they moved their way across the south metro area and now really ramped back up across Aurora near DIA. So this dropped anywhere between 1 to 1.5 inches of rain in some spaces. Some areas saw small to medium sized hail, but the good news is this is continuing to lose its power as it makes its way further east. You can see what was lots of bright orange, red, even some blue, indicating heavy downpours and hail starting to become more green. Now, as we go through the rest of the evening, all of that is going to continue to move on out. We wake up tomorrow to sunny skies, warm weather again with highs in the upper 70s and low 80s. And then we're going to wait for another afternoon of those showers and storms. Cloud cover starts to move in midday. Then around 3 o'clock, we'll watch for these scattered showers and thunder showers. And then those storms could be pretty strong as they move their way eastward, specifically across central and southern portions of the eastern plains around Friday dinner time. And then it all moves out late Friday night. But we do want to watch for some strong storms as we go throughout our Friday afternoon and evening. We have a slight risk for severe weather where we're expecting very strong storms, and then the marginal risk where they could be strong but not quite as bad as the yellow area. All of these spaces really want to make sure that you're aware of any storms that pop up because they could produce hail. We're talking maybe large size hail. We'll also watch for heavy downpours, strong winds, lots of lightning and thunder as we go through the second half of our Friday. Before all of this moved in today, though, we did see some warm weather across Denver. DIA made it to 78 degrees. I think we did officially make it into the low 80s in downtown Denver. We saw low 80s further north, middle 80s to the east and southeast, as well as out west. The high country is in the 60s and 70s. Tonight, we're going to stay pretty mild. We're at 58 right now at DIA, but we'll see those lows only dropping into the middle 50s across the eastern half of the state. 30s and 40s overnight in the high country, middle 50s out west. And making those plans for tomorrow, you want to try and do everything during the earlier parts of the day where we're dry, sunny and warm, because we're going to watch for those scattered to isolated showers and storms during the second half of our Friday. Making our way into the weekend, we're going to see some afternoon spotty to scattered showers and storms on Saturday. Sunday looking to be a lot wetter and a lot cooler. We're going to see these highs max out in the upper 60s, some early rain showers and afternoon storms, and then we start to rebound and watch for more afternoon storms as we start our next work week.